Creating a U.S. visa photo, step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Follow these steps to create a compliant U.S. visa photo. Ensure success with specific guidelines and utilize free editing tools for quick processing. Step 1. Photo dimensions. Dimension: 2 by 2 inches or 51 by 51 millimeters. Head position: 1 by 1, 3 by 8 inches from chin to top of head. Step 2. Meeting requirements. Use a recent color photo taken within the last 6 months. It should have a white background. Keep eyes open, face forward, and wear regular attire. Step 3. Eyeglasses and hairstyle. Eyeglasses are acceptable for medical reasons. Ensure your hairstyle does not hide your face. Step 4. Utilize PhotoforID. Use PhotoforID, a free online tool, for assistance in creating compliant visa photos. AI technology to optimize photo characteristics. Conclusion. Follow these steps and utilize PhotoforID for a successful U.S. visa application. Simplify the process and ensure compliance with specific guidelines.